One time, don't have been there, yes. So them two ring ya. And they found this ring, I'm married with.
Yeah.
But me now no husband no, so if you want me, get married to you.
All right.
So anyway, the boy said to me, said two boys said to me, said, cash with gold mother. I said, if you have a fucking cook it, I'm look up with your boy. I'm a pass man and grab my hand. Grass. And me and him, me hold on under the finger, so me and him and I try to dig out the ring them out from my finger. And he can't get them out.
Really? And how much that time?
86.
Yeah. 86?
Yes. And in the pin pocket. And take up a nice carving knife to come cut off my finger.
What?
Grass wood. And me grab that. Somebody again, me say, I kill a rat, and I tell someone I'm fucking hungry. And you know, go here, you get any picnic yet? He said, no, madam. I said, well, you know, go get none again, you know. And you're going to yam on that table, you balance, you'll die. And I kill you. And me drag that again, you know, he said, madam, you're kill me. I said, I kill a rat. And I tell someone I'm fucking cooking, I'm not hungry. And me drag that again, the third time, you know, the boy. And every fucking thing come up in my hand, so. And in this drop down the ground. So you fuck, I'm not telling you, I kill your ass, man. I want man who wants from Simmons Plaza and give him one lick in my face. I don't know head and take off, you know. He said, well, I go call police. I said, no, pretty boy. I seen that in dead in can't see him. You understand? The man give me $1,000 so much to go buy a drink for me to active for me yet.
86?
86.
And destroy a young boy?
2 young green boy.
Defeat them.
Ramp with me.
Defeat
But they want a ring?
Want me 2 rings. This is for my husband and this is for me. My husband passed out 2010.